The electric hierarchy is being restructured. Hyundai has just unveiled the Ioniq 3, the new gateway to their acclaimed electric lineup. This is not merely a downsized version of its siblings. It is a calculated strike at the heart of the European hatchback market. By evolving the Concept 3 into a production reality, Hyundai is proving that entry-level does not have to mean basic. Let's analyze the impact. Let us deconstruct the visual architecture of the Ioniq 3. Hyundai is not just following trends. They are defining a new category with what they call the aero hatchback. At first glance, the transition from Concept 3 to production is startlingly faithful. The silhouette is a study in aerodynamic discipline. Notice the low-slung nose and the aggressive rake of the windshield. This is designed to pierce the air, not just push through it. The crossover styling cues are subtle but strategic. The slightly elevated ground clearance is balanced by the fastback roofline, creating a profile that feels agile yet grounded. Look closer at the parametric pixel lighting signatures. In the Ioniq 3, these pixels have become more concentrated, reflecting a tighter, more urban aesthetic. The integrated spoiler isn't just an ornament. It manages the wake of the car, detaching the airflow cleanly to prevent the vacuum drag that plagues traditional hatchbacks. The 19-inch aerodynamic wheels are engineered with a specific turbulence-reducing pattern, ensuring that even the rolling mass contributes to the vehicle's efficiency. This is not entry-level design. This is a high-compute, wind-tunnel refined structure that prioritizes physics over posturing. It is a compact fortress of efficiency, wrapped in a skin of digital nostalgia. Every millimeter of the Ioniq 3 is a testament to Hyundai's industrial maturity. Open the door and prepare to recalibrate your entire understanding of compact luxury. The Ioniq 3 is a masterclass in volumetric engineering. By fully exploiting the EGMP's flat-floor architecture, Hyundai has deleted the traditional transmission tunnel, creating a walk-through cabin that feels like a high-end architectural lounge. This is the death of the cramped hatchback. The center console is not a static piece of plastic. It is a sliding universal island. It moves to serve your biological and ergonomic needs, turning a compact interior into a modular workspace. Notice the absence of clutter. This is minimalist dominance. The materials tell a story of sustainable integrity. We're looking at surfaces crafted from recycled PET fibers and bioprocessed leather that undergo a rigorous tactile validation. Every button, every toggle, and every touchpoint has been engineered to provide a haptic feedback that is crisp and deliberate. This is what I call physical honesty in a world of capacitive confusion. Now, let us decode the silicon soul. The dashboard is dominated by the CCNC, Connected Car Navigation Cockpit. This dual, 12.3-inch integrated display runs on a high-speed neural network. Latency is non-existent. Through the augmented reality head-up display, AR HUD, the Ioniq 3 overlays navigation cues directly onto the asphalt, merging the digital and physical worlds into a single stream of information. But the real disruption lies in the V2L, vehicle-to-load, capabilities. Hyundai has transformed the Ioniq 3 into a mobile energy node. With a 3.6 kilowatts output, you are no longer tethered to the grid. Whether you are running a high-performance workstation in a remote canyon or powering a micro-kitchen during a weekend escape, the car becomes your primary power source. It is the democratization of energy. The safety tech is equally cerebral. The Ioniq 3 features the latest Highway Driving Assist 2.0, using a sensor fusion of LiDAR and radar arrays. It doesn't just keep you in the lane, it understands the intent of the traffic around you. This is active intelligence. Furthermore, we must discuss the acoustic sanctuary. Through Active Noise Control Electric, ENC, the Ioniq 3 generates anti-noise waves to cancel out road drone, leaving you in a vacuum of structural silence. The ambient lighting follows your biorhythms, shifting from a warm, relaxation amber during city crawls to a sharp, alert cyan on high-speed motorways. Finally, consider the relaxation comfort seats. With a single touch, the front seats recline to a zero-gravity position, optimized for blood flow during charging sessions. Hyundai has even integrated a healing mode into the infotainment, pairing these seat positions with specialized soundscapes and scent diffusion. This is not just a car interior. It is a high-compute, bioadaptive ecosystem designed to protect your focus and elevate your journey. In the Ioniq 3, you don't just sit, you integrate with the machine's core intelligence. Every second spent in this cabin is a testament to the future of executive mobility. Beneath the aero hatchback skin lies the true genius of the Ioniq 3, a highly optimized version of the EGMP, Electric Global Modular Platform. While our rivals are still struggling with legacy architectures, Hyundai is refining a dedicated EV foundation that prioritizes structural rigidity and low center of gravity dynamics. In the Ioniq 3, efficiency is not defined by a massive battery pack, but by the velocity of energy. We're looking at a state-of-the-art silicon carbide power module that reduces switching losses, ensuring every electron is pushed to the motor with surgical precision. The recuperation system is equally aggressive. The iPedal 3.0 logic allows for a refined energy harvest during deceleration, turning every urban stop into a range-extending event. With its 800-volt high-speed charging capability, the Ioniq 3 doesn't just travel further, it recovers faster. This is the difference between a simple electric car and a high-performance energy management system. In the realm of physics, efficiency is the only true currency. How does it stack up against the established players? Compared to the ID.3 or the entry-level Teslas, the Ioniq 3 offers a higher feature-to-price ratio. While others are cutting costs by removing physical controls, Hyundai has maintained a balance of tactile honesty and digital depth. It feels more complete than its rivals. Who is this machine for? It is for the pragmatist who refuses to sacrifice design for utility. If you inhabit an urban environment but demand the structural integrity and tech suite of a flagship, the Ioniq 3 is your logical choice. It is for the driver who values efficiency over excess. The final verdict is more than a conclusion. It is a recognition of an industry shift. The Hyundai Ioniq 3 is a landmark achievement in the democratization of elite engineering. By translating the complex EGMP DNA into an aero hatchback form factor, Hyundai has not just added another model to its fleet, they have issued a challenge to every manufacturer still clinging to the past. This machine proves that entry-level is no longer an excuse for technical compromise. It is intelligent, it is aerodynamically superior, and it is structurally honest. The Ioniq 3 doesn't just promise the future, it delivers it in a package that is agile, accessible, and ruthlessly efficient. In the final analysis, the choice is clear. You can either drive a car that follows the trends, or you can drive the one that sets the new benchmark. The era of the compromise is over. Subscribe to stay ahead of the technical curve. I am Ava, and I will see you in the next analysis.